So yesterday I made a sketch using the technique of working from the front, then working from the back to fix the perspective, and then trace again the sketch to improve it. So now this was the first part of the sketch. We have main proportions, a front face that, to be honest, it's not very nice, but on the side it's not bad. So what I would like to do now is just to complete this one, because of course I don't feel very satisfied with it, and I believe that each one of us should make a sketch until and improve it until feel satisfied. So I will do the same thing. So I fix it again from the back to make sure that I have a better design, okay? Mainly fixing the mistakes that of course are here. So as you can see, I'm using a very light lines, okay? I keep what I like. The back, for example, it's not bad at all, okay? I fix a little bit the belt line. So that after I can concentrate on the front end, because we really want to make that front end much better. So I make my front wheel, I do the rear one. Okay. And now I'm starting to structure a new center line in the front to see if I can take this front end and make it look better. So let's see. So I'm changing the section on top of the hood because it was not really nice. Now I think it's much better. And I would like also to make this a little bit more round so that it has a feeling of being more powerful. I kind of like now this section that I'm making on the other side that shows a very nice sculpture, much better than before. So we have our front grille. Okay. This maybe we make it just a little bit more inclinated so that it looks a little bit more arrow, which is important, of course. Okay, so can you see? It is better now. I go back to the original front graphics, and I will try to change it a little bit. It looks better. Now for the front grille, I apply again my shading. It will be just an indication, of course. And now on top here, let's do a little bit of line quality. Okay, much better. Little fix here. All right, look, much better. Now this is a front end graphics design that we can say that is starting to come out pretty nice, which can become a real base to work, you know, so that we can make a good development, a good improvement. All right, now that we have this, we have the new side reflection. So this wants to be a really a quick sketch, huh? Not a sketch that will become a rendering or what. This is just something we can do when we want to keep on sketching, to find something that might look really nice and use it to keep on working, okay? So I don't go too much on detailing, okay? So I dedicate a little bit of detailing to the shadow on the ground to make sure that the car sketch, it's really well sitting on the ground. It's important. Here is a mistake, you see? The wheel's here and not here. So I'm moving the back wheel on the other side a little bit forward. Okay. A little bit of line quality in the back. Let's imagine that this is the rear light indication. So our reflection here. Well, this is not bad. Now I will use a very dark marker just for the shadow, okay? I want to make sure that I can block in really well. so that mistake here I can erase it very easily with the marker. Okay, so I think that the sketch it's done, all right? And this is just an example how you can take a sketch that you did not like the way it came out, and you can still keep on fixing and improve it. So this is the objective of this short video. I hope that was good for you. Okay, let's put a little bit of extra shading here so that we can read better the shape. Very fast, very quick, not too many details. We really want to see and then move on, of course, to do more, to see if this can be improved again and again until it becomes a real nice design proposal. Okay? All right, so thank you very much. And don't forget that Sunday it's Easter break, so happy Easter to everybody, all right? And stay tuned. Ciao.